Hello everyone, the name of the top 31 follower for the post of Barbar of Garo category of the Meghalaya Police. So the name of the candidate with the total mark score are given here, so check your name. Number 1, Saljarang Momin with a total score of 308, Loptingson Di Sangma 302, Pirosh Marak 293, Bilakson CH Marak 289, Changrik B Marak 285, Gagan Aldres Marak 283, Haming Sangma 282, Jack Kingbird Sangma 281, Gaseng B Marak 281, Ringrang B Marak 275, Dupirin Marak 274, Walnik di Shira 270, Grigman Armarak 269, Drinking God di Marak 267, Roadsting Armarak 267, Rakjan M Marak 266, Penwal E Sangma 265, Balpanush N Sangwa 262, Laksrang Marak 261, Wisdom and Sangwa 260, Rick Chibot Sangwa 259, Elias B Sangma 259, Rak Silbert di Shira 258, Barnabas Marak 258, Salgrak S Sangma 258, Rignang Marak 257, Roken Rozar Momin 257, Nat Senbat C Sangma 256, Panel M Sangma 255, Dilman B Shira 255, and Sengsrang Sangma 255. These are the top 31. There may be one or two names which may be missing in here. If there are names missing, so just comment in the comment box and I will check your name. Okay, thank you.